Today I am reviewing Lenovo 15-inch IdeaPad Slim 3. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful, portable, and versatile gaming laptop that can handle everything from gaming to productivity, the Lenovo 15-inch IdeaPad Slim 3 with AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS is an impressive choice. Right out of the box, this laptop impresses with its sleek Luna gray design, slim profile, and military-grade durability. Measuring just 0.7 inches in thickness and starting at only 1.59 kilograms, it is built for portability without compromising on performance, making it perfect for users who need a laptop for work, study, or gaming on the go. At the heart of this laptop is the AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS processor, a 6-core, 12-thread powerhouse running at a base clock of 3.3 GHz and boosting up to 4.55 GHz. This processor is capable of handling high-definition video editing, programming, interior design software, and modern gaming with ease. Paired with 40 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD, the IdeaPad Slim 3 ensures lightning-fast performance, smooth multitasking, and ample storage for games, projects, and media files. You can run multiple applications, heavy software, and even virtual machines without experiencing any slowdown, making this a laptop that balances speed and efficiency perfectly. The display is another highlight. The 15.3-inch Wuxka IPS panel offers a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels with anti-glare coating, 300 nits brightness, and 45% NTSC color coverage. It delivers crisp visuals, vibrant colors, and comfortable viewing angles for both gaming and productivity tasks. Combined with the integrated AMD Radeon 660M graphics, you get smooth frame rates in popular games and clear visuals for media consumption. While not a dedicated GPU, the Radeon 660M performs admirably for casual and mid-level gaming, creative projects, and everyday tasks. Connectivity and expansion options are solid. The laptop supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast wireless internet and stable device connections. For ports, you get two USB-A ports, a USB-C port with power delivery and display port, an HDMI 1.4 port, an SD card reader, and a headphone/mic combo jack, giving you flexibility for external monitors, accessories, and storage devices. It also supports Microsoft Copilot, giving you intelligent AI-driven responses at the touch of a dedicated key, which enhances productivity and makes daily tasks simpler and faster. Audio and video performance is also impressive. It comes with HD stereo speakers optimized with Dolby Audio, offering clear sound for calls, music, and games. The 720p HD webcam with a privacy shutter and dual-array microphones make video conferencing clear and secure, an essential feature for remote work and online classes. One of the standout aspects of this laptop is its durability. Despite being slim and light, it meets military-grade standards, which means it can withstand minor drops, bumps, and extreme travel conditions. This makes it a reliable option for professionals, students, and gamers who need a laptop that can keep up with a mobile lifestyle. In terms of usability, the full-size keyboard with numeric keypad is comfortable for typing, although it is non-backlit. The touchpad is responsive, and Windows 11 Pro provides a modern, secure, and feature-rich operating system experience. With automatic updates and Microsoft Pluton TPM 2.0 security, your data and sensitive information remain protected. Overall, the Lenovo 15-inch IdeaPad Slim 3 with Ryzen 5 7535HS, 40 GB DDR5 RAM, and 1TB PCIe SSD is an exceptional laptop for those who need a portable, durable, and high-performance device. Whether you're into gaming, creative work, or everyday multitasking, this laptop handles it all smoothly, delivering impressive performance, fast storage, and reliable connectivity. With its combination of power, portability, and sleek design, it's a perfect choice for anyone looking for a professional-grade laptop that can also serve as a capable gaming machine.